Man, anta, who, you. Very simple, not too many words. Ana, I, Muslim. I, Muslim. I am a Muslim. Man, antum, who, you all. Nahnu, we, Muslimun, Muslims. Very simple. Okay. So can you answer me in Arabic? Man anta?
Ana Muslim.
Ana Muslim. Man antum?
Nahnu Muslimun.
Nahnu Muslimun. Once again. Man anta?
Ana Muslim.
Ana Muslim. Man antum?
Nahnu
Nahnu Muslimun. Last time. Man anta?
Ana
Ana Muslim. Man antum?
Nahnu
Nahnu Muslimun. MashaAllah. Can you teach? Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. Or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum